Mr. Rutz, I don't know how to use the snipping tool to send in an image of my object. Not after this video. So, here's the first thing you're going to do. You click the search box at the bottom left of your screen. You're going to type the word snip. And you'll see Snipping Tool or Snip and Sketch. They are both applicable to this. It's just slightly different layout. Snipping Tool. You click it open. And what you're going to get is this window. And in the top left it says New. I want a new snip. Now my screen is going to blank out. It's going to look like everything's been frozen. And I'm going to use my cursor to click and drag over the part of the screen that I want to take a picture of. Now that I've got this picture, how do I submit it? Well, step one, you're going to click the Save Snip button. Step two, you need to know where you saved it. So give it a name like, let's see, Rut's first part. It directly relates to what we're doing, and it's got your name in it. And I'm saving it to the desktop. If I need to find the desktop, you can always go to the left. You can find, let's see, documents you could save in, desktop you could save in. Your computer also has network drives, so if you don't want to lose it, you save it there. But I'm just going to do the desktop for now. Now that I've gotten there, I'm going to go to Google Classroom. Here, and I'm going to go to a class that I'm enrolled in. Now what I'm going to do is go to my assignment, and there is no assignment, of course. So I go to my, let's see, let's try one more. Classwork. No. You click into the assignment. On the right-hand side, it is going to say Submit Your Work. You'd then upload your pictures, and it would be the same as if you were uploading a file to Google Drive. So let's do that. Go to Google Drive just to show you how to find these files. I go New, File Upload. For you, it may be like Submit File from Computer. Now I've got this very familiar file system. I go to my desktop because that's where I saved it. And now I'm going to look for Rut's Part 1. First part. Boom. Open. At that point, you would click Submit and mark as done. That's it. Talking about that being it.